you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Steam Deck, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate stuttering. Step 1. Adjust graphic settings. Lower the in-game graphic settings for the games you are playing. Reducing settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow details can significantly improve frame rates. Step 2. Enable VSync. Turn on VSync in the game settings or through the Steam Deck's graphics settings. This can help synchronize the frame rate with your display's refresh rate, reducing stuttering. Step 3. Limit frame rate. Set a frame rate limit in the Steam Deck settings or within the game. Limiting the frame rate to a value that your hardware can consistently maintain can help smooth out gameplay. Step 4. Update drivers. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software and driver updates. Keeping your system updated can resolve performance issues and improve overall stability. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Adjust the power settings on your Steam Deck to prioritize performance over battery life. This can be done in the system settings and can help ensure your device runs at optimal performance during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering on your Steam Deck. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.